energy, types and uses. Which is easier, lifting a heavy suitcase by its handle or pulling a trolley? Lifting it would need much energy, while pulling it along a trolley would be much easier. Living things need food as fuel for energy to do different activities. We all need energy to run around, to play, jump, dance, and even study. People doing hard physical work like construction workers, salesmen, delivery boys, etc. need a lot more energy than others. Cars and vehicles are non-living things and require energy in the form of fuel to move. Energy is of utmost importance in everything. Right from drying clothes on a clothesline to sending astronauts into space. Energy. Energy can be defined as the ability to do work. For any kind of action to take place, energy is required. Even something as simple as breathing or the blinking of eyelids requires energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy simply changes its form from one kind to another. The chemical energy in the food we eat gets converted into muscular energy that helps us make movements such as walking, running, climbing up and down, etc. When an electric bulb is switched on, the electrical energy gets converted into light energy, which helps us see things clearly. Different forms of energy. The different forms of energy are heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, and so on. Heat energy. When anything is heated or burned, the energy generated is called heat energy. Heat energy is also called thermal energy. In a steam engine, the heat energy generated by the burning of coal makes the train move. Heat energy is used by your mother to cook food.
Most vehicles run on fuel.
The fuel generates heat energy. Sources of heat energy are petrol, coal, wood, LPG and CNG. Light energy. Light energy is the energy that is produced by a source of light. It helps us to see things around us. The sun is the Earth's natural source of light energy. There are artificial sources of light energy that help us to see things, especially at night, such as electric bulb, tube light, oil lamps, etc. Chemical energy. The fuel on which our vehicles run contains chemical energy that turns into mechanical energy when the car or bus moves. The chemical energy present in food gets converted into muscular energy, which helps us do physical as well as mental tasks throughout the day. Electrical energy. The form of energy that is used to operate several gadgets and appliances in homes, schools, offices, and so on is electrical energy. The lightning during thunderstorms is the natural form of electrical energy. Trains run on electrical energy. We use electrical energy or electricity to heat water through water heaters, get light through electric tube lights and bulbs, and blow air through hair dryers. Mechanical energy. Machines create motion by producing mechanical energy. In these machines, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Appliances such as mixer grinder, fans, and floor polishing machines are some devices that make our life convenient and comfortable. Energy, types and uses. Energy produced from natural sources. Solar energy. Radiant light and heat energy produced by the sun is called solar energy. This energy is vital for the survival of living things on Earth. Additionally, this energy is now being harnessed to create electricity and heat to run gadgets and appliances. Many people get solar panels fitted onto the roofs of their houses that trap the solar energy and convert it into electrical energy to light up their homes as well as run ACs and fans. Working of a
solar cooker. The solar cooker has a panel that traps sunlight and converts it into heat energy for the purpose of heating water and cooking food.
Water energy. When water falls from a height or flows, it contains water energy. This energy is harnessed to create electricity with the help of machines like turbines and generators in hydropower plants. The electricity thus generated is called hydroelectricity. When water energy from tides is used to generate electricity, it is termed as tidal energy. Wind energy. Wind is moving air and contains wind energy. This energy is used to produce electricity through windmills. India is the fifth largest producer of electricity from wind turbines in the world. conversion of energy. Energy changes its form from one type to another. This can be understood with the help of the following examples. The green plants trap solar energy and convert it into food, that is chemical energy, by the process of photosynthesis. The electrical energy of a hot plate is converted to heat energy that boils the water for tea. The chemical energy in food converts into muscular energy in the cyclist. Mechanical energy of a waterfall is converted into electrical energy in a hydroelectric plant. Renewable energy and non-renewable energy. A source of energy is renewable when nature replenishes it continuously. Sources of energy such as wind, that is wind energy, water, that is water energy, sunlight from the sun, that is solar energy, are all renewable sources of energy, since their sources are not exhausted in nature. They provide us the form of energy which is ecologically friendly or eco-friendly, as they do not create any kind of pollution. These forms of energy are also referred to as alternate forms of energy. Many sources are non-renewable, which means that they cannot be replenished. Fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, diesel and kerosene are examples of non-renewable sources of energy. These sources of energy should not be wasted, since they take millions of years to form.